In today's video, I am going to show you how to make garden eggs Abomu, aka Putoshigum. I am Hirat and you're welcome. In a pot, I will add my already washed garden eggs. I will then add 1 large onion, 1 large tomato, and then 4 peppers. I will then add some turkey berries because I need more iron, okay? And I will then add some eggs. Make sure you wash the eggs properly before adding it, okay? And then I will add water enough to cover all the ingredients. I will then add my Kobe, and I've already washed it thoroughly. So I'm adding it now because I want it to be well cooked in order for the salt in it to be reduced. So I will add additional water and cover it and allow it to boil for 20 minutes. And after that, I will set it aside and then prep my palm oil. So I will add some onions to the palm oil and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. I will then give it a stir to make sure it is well fried, and then I will off my heat and set it aside. To my asanka, I will add some roasted momoni, and next add the turkey berries and some peppers. And I am going to use my etta, right? Yes, etta. And then mash it very well. So you can use a blender as well, but you might get a smooth texture, which we don't want it, okay? So I will continue adding the ingredients bit by bit till I'm done with everything. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? Because we have amazing recipes coming your way these days. And do well to follow me on other social media platforms as Hirat's Kitchen. And I will leave all the links in the description box. So I will continue to blend it in my asanka. And next I will add some salt. And here you can add any additional seasoning if you wish. I will keep blending it till I get my preferred consistency. I will garnish it with my Kobe. I will then add the already prepped palm oil to it. And for this abomu, you don't have to fry it on the fire again. And that is why we call it abomu, shabu shabu, and you are done. And this abomu is best served with some cocoyam, plantain, yam, or even kenke. You can serve it with it. So this is the end of this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and make sure to share this video, okay? See you in the next one. Bye.